Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Check this out. I don't know if I've ever seen anything. Ooh, she's heavy. $3.99. It's this kind of, let me step back so you guys can see. It's this, what is this? Kind of like a bowl type thing. And it's like metal on the inside. The outside is something else. She's very heavy, but I love every last piece of that. This would be so cool to like put some scatters in or something like that. And that $3.99 price tag is delightful. Guess what else I'm seeing here? This is so cute. Let me see if I can put it up here. If you guys can't tell what that is, it is two elephants with their trunks up, which I heard is very good luck. But it's two elephants with their trunks up and intertwined. And I think that is the cutest thing ever. And they're trying to get $3.99 for that. Very, very cute though. Very, very cute. Here you go, you guys. I'm always grabbing stuff to see if it's worth anything. So check these out. It's like kind of, I don't know, it's like a little kind of thing on a wood block here. I'm trying to read that. Washington's Bodyguard. Well, there you have it. And I'm like, oh, these haven't even been priced yet. But there is a set of them in here. Is that, okay. These are interesting. Let me know, for those of you guys who thrift all the time, if these are vintage. They definitely look older. I don't know, like I said, what the actual cost is on them. The wood that they're on is really nice. I was just thinking about using the back for DIY, but you know, I hate to DIY over something that actually has value. So let me know if you guys know. Oh my goodness, you guys. Again, I like these little side vignettes that they're doing at the Goodwill, but tell me that is this a vase? It's $2.99, and she is impressive. Are you guys kind of seeing the colors, that shininess, that iridescence on this? This is a really cool vase, and it's a very good size. I'm not sure if you guys are kind of picking that up. I'm also really liking, let me get my hands on it. Oh, she's heavy. This vase too. That is so cool. And this is $3.99. But I'm loving the shape of this. I'm thinking of all sorts of things that we could do, even just changing the color or leaving it as is, because it's very, very classy. Very, very classy as is. Check this out, you guys. I don't even know. I love this color orange first and foremost. It's $1.99, and I'm guessing it's some sort of vase or something, but it's like kind of like a leaf design. I'm not sure if this is like one of their early kind of fall pieces that they're putting out, but I love every last piece of this. Super, super cute. It's weird though, because in my mind, I almost think it should be green, but it's orange instead, which is kind of interesting. I don't know, but very cute piece. Okay, you guys. Now trust me, you know the music is loud because you know where we are. We're in the Goodwill. But take a look at this delightful lamp. Let me see if I can get it close enough for you guys to see. I am loving this kind of really cool texture on it. Now she's got a little hair on her too, you know, that's extra. $5.99 for a lamp. Now I don't know if she works. That's the thing about the lamps. Oh, she's got a bulb in her. We could probably check her out. We're going to take her over and test her. But I think this is great because it also has the shade. And I think this would be a perfect piece for us to do a little something frisky with. Let's go see if she works. Okay, you guys, we're over here by the testing station. A-Train's going to light it up. Ba-dum-bum, chang. Flip it on. See if it goes.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
I do believe okay, she's
What?
a little frisky. She's a little frisky. But guess what? She actually works. I love every last piece of this. And it seems to me that this girl, that's right, it's a she. She's coming home with me. Let's go. Another entirely cool lamp that I'm seeing, you guys. Loving the shape. on the bottom of this and this kind of very eggplant color. Now this one is $7.99, but I do love, look at this beautiful, beautiful lampshade. Not only is it just really nice and decorative, but I also really love the shape of it. It's got that really nice kind of straight up and down kind of thing, which I really, really like. Very cute lamp. Let's see if we can find anything else. Okay, you guys, so check this out. The music behind me is getting it in. I want you guys to hear that too. But look at this welcome sign that's made out of tiles. It's going to be hard to get it all the way in the shot. But what I'm really loving is this kind of flower applique. And the tiles are really, really good quality. And let's just see what we're dealing with here. $2.99 for that. I actually think that's a really, 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 really cool piece for $2.99 because ultimately we just take it apart and we get all the tiles and this beautiful flower applique or little whatever you heck you want to call it. But this would be really cool. So this delightful lamp is what we chose as our inspiration piece. Let's head home and see what we come up with. So we've got this gorgeous lamp, and one of the things I loved about it was the bottom. There is not going to be anything that we need to do to the bottom of this lamp because, in my personal opinion, pretty dang perfect. But what we are going to do is do something to the lampshade. So what we're going to do with the shade is going to be a two-part process, and it's going to start with me using these jumbo craft sticks. And I want to go ahead and just add texture to the lampshade by just gluing these down with hot glue all around that shade. So this is really interesting to me as a project because this is really one of my first times working on a lamp that was already made for all intents and purposes. If you're new to the channel, you may not know this, but I am #lampqueen, and I'm often making lamps utilizing inexpensive items from the Dollar Tree or items that I've thrifted that are not lamps. So this is really my first time trying to kind of take something that's already a lamp and turn it into something that's more my style. So now that we've got our craft sticks glued down all around our lampshade, we're going to take it to the next level. Now right here, you could decide to do a wax if you wanted to, like something like a Waverly, but I am going to take it outside and spray paint it this beautiful sage green color. Now this color is something I've used in my office as an accent color for quite some time. I actually did a Dollar Tree lamp DIY utilizing the same color that I'll try to link in the description box as well. So now that our lampshade has dried, and I personally think it came out beautifully, we're going to go ahead and add it back onto the base, throw a bulb in it, and see how this turned out. In every shade of light that I have seen this lamp, I think it is stunning. It's so simple to have transformed this beautiful lamp. Again, that base was a great place to start, but just adding that texture with the craft sticks to the shade and then giving it that pop of color really just turned this lamp around for me. But let me know in the comments if you feel the same way.